There are three main ways to customize how large language model work. Prompt engineering is the easiest, so you guide the model with instructions every time you chat. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, helps large language models use real information from your own data to reduce hallucinations. And fine-tuning actually changes the model's behavior. So in this demo, we will fine-tune a model right on the OpenAI website. No coding needed. So to start, you have to have the data ready, where you need to organize your data in multiple JSON documents, where you need to tell the model that what are the user questions and what should be the expected model response. The recommended dataset is about more than 50 different conversations. However, the more dataset and also longer training process will cost you more credits. Once your data is ready, you can go to platform.openai.com, log in with your account. You also need to pay for the credits that you used in fine-tuning the model. So we can go to the fine-tuning page and create our fine-tuning job. In this case, we'll choose the supervised learning. And for the base model, I'm going to use GPT-4 Mini. You can give it a name of your model and just give it a random number for the seed. And here you can upload your training data, or you can just select data that is already on your OpenAI account. So I'm going to just upload the data that I showed earlier. You can provide validation data, which is optional. I will leave that as default, and I just hit create. So now we can see that the fine-tuning is a success. If we look at this accuracy, we can see that the accuracy actually increased dramatically. Alright, so now we have a fine-tuned model, so we can test the performance of the model. So let's go to the background, where you can compare the performance of the model by using the base model versus the fine-tuned model. Okay, so let's ask a very simple question. The base model, so it just gives the answer directly. You can see that first, the model behaved differently, didn't tell you the answer directly. Instead, asking a follow-up question. Okay, nice. So this is what we expected. We want a study assistant that not give the answers directly, but instead provide step-by-step explanations and help students to reach the solution. Alright, so once we have these fine-tuned models, it can be used in your APIs. So you will call these specific models when you're calling the APIs, and then you can use this model in production. And that's it. So fine-tuning a model just takes a few clicks and no coding at all.